Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon. Hope you're having a good night. This is Marlon Carter again out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to my video. At the bottom of this video, I would like for you to hit that subscribe button that's down below so you can receive the next recording that I make. My videos are about, as always, promoting your business opportunity online or learning how to promote online or using the tools that I use to promote your business online. And if you don't have a business to promote or if you don't have products to promote, I would like for you to take a look at what I'm about to offer here. And a lot of people are promoting the cash building system unlimited, which is a postcard business, and you don't even have to know anything about the computer to get involved with cash building system unlimited. It's a postcard business that you once you join, all you have to do is put a stamp on the card, put your stickum leaves, which you would get with that business, and you would get 200 postcards and 200 of those leads. And you put your label on there, put a stamp on your card, and just mail it out, and that's it. But I want to show you a way that you can promote it even online with the system that I'm using. And you can join it for free today, for free. And just take a 14-day free trial and see how it can be conducive to your program or to promoting your cash building system unlimited program. And you can use this system to promote any program. It doesn't matter what you are promoting. You can use this system to promote any program. And I would like to introduce to you, if you don't know about it, the Convergent Pros. The Convergent Pros is where I do all of my promoting from. And this is a system that is a business opportunity within itself. Once you get started, you will learn how to promote uh, the Convergent Pros and tell somebody else about it. You're gonna love it because you create your own capture pages, and you can create pages for someone else that's in your business if they are not a part of the Convergent Pros. But once you tell someone else about the Convergent Pros, they are paying if they like it after they free trial. If they like it and start paying every month fee, which is $50, you're getting 50% of that. And it's an amazing marketing tool that I've been using over the years, and I love it. I love creating pages like this one right here to promote or to I guess introduce or educate people about different things. I make a page to that very thing that I am promoting. Just like the cash building. I don't know why I want to just say builders, but cash building system unlimited, the postcard business that I am involved with. I just love making money from home or drawing in cash from home. It's I mean, it's a smart way to make cash and income from your very own home, from your phone, from your computer. The cash building, uh, not the cash building system, but the Convergent Pros has even a phone app that you can promote your business right from the phone, even when you bring in contacts or bring in subscribers to your business to the Convergent Pros from your phone. You have every lead that comes in through your page that you have created through the Convergent Pros. This is an awesome system. Inside of this system, you can just start right here at the page builders. You don't start there. You start right here on getting started right here. We have a boot camp, a TCP boot camp that will introduce you to various things to do and not to do while marketing online. You are taught how to market your business, not just only the Convergent Pros, but you're taught how to promote any business. This is David Dubbs, owner of the Convergent Pros, and he starts off with a video. Excuse me. He starts out with a video telling you about first things to prevent mistakes that most people are making. And then, you click here, and right here is just really the introduction. You click here, and then on the first video and the second video is build sales funnels that convert like crazy. Those sales funnels is what you need. You have your autoresponder already set up for you, and you bring subscribers to that autoresponder when you create your own capture pages or your web pages in the Conversion Pro. Right here, right here, say a webinar replay tool to sell for your 24 for use 24/7. For Let's click there and just check it out. This is a webinar, a replay tool, and all you have to do is click here, and you will learn different things about how to be prosperous in the with the Convergent Pros. And this is more videos. Go back to the main page. We go back to the main page, or go to the next page. Log into your back office, and it will take you right back to your back office right here. And that's logging in that you will log into, but you are already logged in here at the boot camp using solo ads. This teaches you how to use solo ads to get sign-ups, and it's all taught to you by video. And solo ads, I'm just gonna let you come in and learn about solo ads and the do's and don'ts. And then it asks you to watch the video to learn this. You have all type of videos that will teach you how to market online. This is the boot camp. Different videos will take you to different videos. But anyway, we're going to go over here, back over here. Let's go up to page builders. This is where you build all your pages. As you can see, I have lots of pages. All these represent pages right here that I built. I built one only on yesterday and made a video to it. I love making videos. I love telling people about different pages. Once you get over here to create your page, you just click on create page, and then you have templates already laid out for you. You have templates that has space for videos, and that is taught. You are taught how to do that as well. Let's take an example of this page. I like to use this page because that's what I build most of my pages up on. It's this template right here. You can give your page a name, a title, and then you give it a page name, and then you just start editing. You say what you want to say inside of this page. And you just stop and save it, stop editing and save it. You go down and save later. All this you can revise to say what you want to. Even the form, it don't have to be a big form like this. You can edit that form. Let's do it another way. You can edit this form by going here. You have to save your page first before you are able to edit. It don't have to be all this. It could be just space for a full name and email. And this is the way I built this page right here out of that same template. I built this page. You have a place you can put your background in right here. You can pick your backgrounds, background image, whatever you want to pick. There's business women here, baby boomers there, auto service and city, and it's just all type of backgrounds for your use if you want to use it. In energy, essential oils. Let's just pick this one right here. Once you click on it, you have different categories of that very thing that you want to put a background on to. And let's just click the cookies right here. Right here is where you center in on your phone, where you want whatever you want to be seen on your phone. You can center that and then confirm it. See the background now? And once all this will disappear, once you save it, you can go and take a look at your page and see how it looks. It's simple to use this program, the Conversion Pros. That's what I use each and every day, and you can do the same thing. Take a free trial. Click on the link down in the bottom of this video, and it will show you how to promote the cash building system you, for whatever business that you are promoting. You can promote cash building system unlimited. That's the postcard business. I'll put a link to that down at the bottom of the video as well if you want to join up with the cash building system unlimited. Let me show you another page that I built on yesterday. And this is about the postcards, and I put a video to it, and once they sign in, they become your lead because they want to know more about what you're promoting. You can revise your page to say what it wants to say. Once they sign their name in, you can direct them to whatever page you want them to be directed to. This is the JD marketing, and it is the cash building system unlimited. What you will be joining, and you can start at $50 for this cash building system. For $100, you can get a marketing system and a cash and a postcard business, and you are in business from home. That's all it takes. And if you're truly serious about making money at home, you won't mind spending $100. Just say that you want to just get into the postcard business, the cash building system unlimited. It only takes $50. Then you're in business. 200 postcards, 200 stick-em leads, and then you buy your stamps, put a stamp on it, and mail it out. You're in business. For the online marketing, the Conversion Pros, take a 14-day free trial and decide whether you want to do it or not. Click on the link below. It will take you to the Conversion Pros, which is this right here. And then you have your training videos and everything to teach you or to get you started. You have your boot camp right here. You have also share codes. You have an autoresponder that send out messages on your behalf. You can revise it. You don't have to, once it's set up, it's set it and forget it. It's on automatic. And you can come over here anytime and build a page to go to whatever you are promoting. Just revise your autoresponder to speak on whatever you're promoting. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. You all enjoy your day. Have a wonderful day or night. And come on and get into this business, the cash building system unlimited, so I can show you how to promote it and start making money from your very own home. I am the Elder Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, a preacher first and an entrepreneur next. You all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye now.